An athlete on the school football team can run 20 yards in 2.9 seconds. During the last football game, the athlete ran 64 yards for a touchdown. If the athlete's rate of speed remained the same, about how long did it take him to run for the touchdown? Since we are given a rate and told that that rate will remain the same, we can solve this problem using a proportion. We will use a proportion box to solve. Our first step is to label the table with the units that we are given. We know we are working with yards and seconds. We want to line these units up in the table so that yards are with yards and seconds are with seconds. Next, we are going to estimate. We know that 2.9 is about 3. Now we should place numbers in the table. The problem tells us that the athlete could run 20 yards in 2.9 or right at 3 seconds. Notice that we put the 20 next to yards and the 3 next to seconds. The question is asking us how long it will take the athlete to run 64 yards if he continues at the same rate. We need to put the 64 next to yards as well. Next, we need to find the scale factor. Remember that factor means to multiply, so I need to think about what number I can multiply 20 by in order to get 64. I can't think of an exact number that I would multiply by, but I know that 20 times 3 is 60, so my scale factor should be about 3. I should use the same scale factor at the bottom that I used at the top. So 3 times 3 gives me an answer of 9. Since we estimated, I won't see my exact answer as one of the answer choices, but the only choice close to 9 is answer choice A, 9.3 seconds. Now we know it took the athlete about 9.3 seconds to run 64 yards.